Good morning everyone. So today our next problem that is the 13th one. Machinery worth 10,000 depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. Depreciated means it has been decreased. So by how much it has been decreased? That is by 5%. So what is the value after 1 year we have to find. So what is which one is this? 13th solution. So here the value of machinery after 1 year. So what is the value? The value of machinery after 1 year. We have to find after 1 year what is the cost of this. So how much it has been depreciated, that is by 5%. So decreased percentage. What is decreased percentage here? That is 5%. So what is 5% of 10,000 we have to find. So what is the value there? Worth is 10,000. So the cost here, the cost is 10,000. After 1 year, what is the value we have to find? That one I am taking it as X, and by how much it has been decreased? That is by 5%. So what we have to do? We have to find what is 5% of 10,000. So what we have to find? We have to find what is 5% of 10,000. So 5% we can write in the form of 5 by 100. Of is nothing but multiplication into 10,000. So here 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 into 100 will be 500. That means after 1 year it has been decreased. Rate is how much? That is 500. So it has been dropped to 500 rupees. So what is the value now? The value of machinery after 1 year is how much? Before it was 10,000. After 1 year it has been decreased to 5%. What is the 5% value? That is 500. So that will be equals to how much? 9,500 rupees. So what is the value there? 9,500. So this is our 13th solution. Okay. Next is 14th one. Solution. So what is the 14th question? Find the population of a city after 2 years, which is at present 12 lakhs. What is the present population? That is 12 lakhs, and we have to find the population after 2 years. So if the rate of increase is 4%, so what is the rate of increase there? 4%. So what is the present population here? Present population is how much? 12 lakhs. And it has been increased to how much percent? That is 4%. So increased percentage. Increased to 4%. That means rate of interest. Our value is 4%. And what is the time there? Time is 2 years. For 2 years, after 2 years it has been increased to 4%. So time is 2 years. So what we have to find? We have to find after 2 years what is the population we have to find. So which formula we are using? That is amount is equals to principal into 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the power of n. We are using this formula, but here this one we will use for finding the values, amount value. But this is in the form of population. So directly I am writing the values here. So what is that? X is equals to, X is nothing but after 2 years what is the population. And what is the present population? That is 12 lakhs. 1 plus, what is the rate of interest? 4 by 100 to the power of, n value is what here? 2. Now, x is equals to 12 lakhs. Here I am taking the LCM. Down of 1 you are not seeing any number. That means it is having 1 here. So I am multiplying 100 into 100. So 1 into 100 will be LCM is 100 itself. So 1 into 100 is 100 plus into 1 into 1. 4 ones is 4 and whole square. Now x is equals to 12 lakhs. So 100 plus 4 will be 104 by 100 to the power of 2. Now this value you have to multiply how many times? 2 times you have to multiply. So x is equals to 12 lakhs. I am writing this value 2 times. That is 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? X is equals to 120 into 104 into 104. Now you multiply this. 104 into 104 we will check. 4 4s are 16. 0, 0, 0. 1 4s are 4. 1 0s are 0. 1 1s are 1. 6, 1, 8, 0, 1. So you got as 10,816. Now with this we have to multiply 120. 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now multiply with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 1s are 2. So with 1, 6, 1, 8, 0, 1. So if you add 0, 6, 9, 7, 9, 2, 1. So how much you got? You got as 12 lakhs 97,960. So what is the population after 2 years? That is 12 lakhs 97,960. So this is the population after 2 years. So what they have given? Present population they have given as 12 lakhs. And after 2 years it has been increased to 4%. So which formula I am using here? That is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. A is nothing but what is the population after 2 years we have to find. And P is nothing but present population. R is nothing but rate of interest. N is time here, that is 2 years. Okay, after substituting you got the x value as 12 lakhs 97,960. So after 2 years what is the population? 12 lakhs 97,960. Okay, so this is our 14th solution. Now last one in this chapter. So what is the last one? Calculate compound interest on 1000 over a period of 1 year at 10% per annum if interest is compounded quarterly. Quarterly is nothing but by 4. Okay. So what is the period? What is the amount here? Amount, not amount. Principal value is 10,000. They have taken 10,000 for the time of 1 year. For 1 year they are taking. And what is the rate of interest? That is 10%. And they are calculating in component quarterly. Quarterly is nothing but divided by 4. So here, what is the principal value? Principal value is 10,000 and rate of interest is 10% and time is 1 year. Time is how much? 1 year. So they are asking about compounded annually. Quarterly. Quarterly is nothing but divided by 4. So these two values we have to divide by 4 now. Now 10% if you divide with 4, 10 by 4. I am dividing with 4. So in which table we can cancel? That is 2 table. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So you got the rate of interest as 5 by 2%. And in the same way, total 1 year you can divide into 4 ways. How many ways? So 1 year can be written in the form of half, 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 half. So this can be, that is this 1 year we are dividing into 4 ways. So here what we will write here? Here time will be equals to 4 times. Time will be equals to 4 times. We are dividing this 1 year, whole 1 year into 4 times. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is quarterly. So how many times you got the 1 by 4 value? That is 4 times you got. So time value will be 4 here. Now what is the formula? Which formula we will use? That is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So amount value we have to find after 1 year, that we are finding in the form of quarterly. Quarterly is nothing but time will be 4. N value will be 4. Principal value is how much? 10,000. Sorry, principal value is 1,000. Principal value is 1,000 and rate of interest is how much? 5 by 2. So rate of interest is 5 by 2. Apply in this. So A is equals to principal is 10,000. 1 plus rate of interest you got it as 5 by 2 by 100 to the power of N. N is nothing but 4 here. Now I am multiplying these two values. A is equals to 1,000. 1 plus 5 by 2 into 100 will be 200. So A is equals to 1,000. Here you take the LCM. LCM will be 200. So how much you will multiply? Into 200, into 200, into 1, into 1. 1 into 200 is 200 plus 5 ones are 5 to the power of 4. Now A is equals to 1,000. 200 plus 5 will be 205 by 200 to the power of 4. Now this value we are multiplying how many times? 4 times you have to multiply. So A is equals to 1,000. 205 by 200. 205 by 200. 205 by 200 into 205 by 200. How many times I have multiplied? 4 times, because the power is 4 here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now cancelling 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Same in 5 table I am cancelling. 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Again 5 40s are 200, 5 41s are 205. Now still I am cancelling in again 5 table. 5 8s are 40, 5 41s are 205. So what is remaining value now? The A value. A is equals to 41 into 41 into 41 into 41 by 2 into 4 into 8 into 40. So if you multiply all this, you will get it as 28,25,761 divided by, that is 28,25,761 divided by 2,560. So amount is equals to, if divide these two values, if you divide these two values, you will get it as 1,103.81. So this is the amount value. Now what you have to find? You have to find the compound interest. So what is compound interest here? Compound interest is equals to, that is amount minus principal value. So what is the formula? Amount minus principal value. That is amount is how much? That is 1,103.81 minus principal is how much? 1000. So compound interest will be equals to how much? 103.81. So this is our 15th solution. So they have given principal value as 1000, rate of interest is 10%, time is 1 year, but they have given compounded quarterly. So quarterly, 1 year we have to divide into 4 parts. Quarterly is nothing but dividing into 4 parts. That means 1 year you can write in the form of 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. How many times you are writing 1 by 4? 4 times. So time will be equals to 4 here. And this rate of interest is also divided by 4, that will be equals to 5 by 2%. So what is the formula? A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. So after solving, after substituting all the values, you got the amount value as 1103.81. And what we have to find? We have to find the compound interest. So what is compound interest here? A minus P. Amount is 1103.81 minus 1000. So if you subtract these two, how much you will get? 103.81 rupees you will get. So what is the compound interest? 103.81. So with this, our chapter is completed. So next class we will start a new chapter. Thank you.